Imagine building a dream team with the greatest player to ever step onto the pitch for El Clásico. Who would you make the cut? Today we're diving into the ultimate lineup of legends who dominated in the fiercest rivalry in football, Real Madrid versus Barcelona. Stick around because this list is guaranteed to spark some serious debates. El Clásico is more than just a match. It is the stage where legends are made over the years. Some of the most iconic names in football have battled it out in this rivalry. And today we are selecting the ultimate starting six from both sides. These are the players who not only shined in El Clásico, but also left an undeniable mark in football history. Let's kick off with our dream team. Goalkeeper Iker Casillas, Real Madrid. Between the posts, there is no one better than Iker Casillas, with 45 El Clásicos appearances, and Casillas was a rock at the back of Real Madrid, making countless crucial saves. He's a World Cup winner, a 5-time La Liga champion, and a 3-time Champions League winner, and his consistency in El Clásico earns him the starting spot. Defenders Dani Alves, Barcelona, 42 El Clásico appearances, 5 goals, 14 seasons. On the right side of the defense, we have Dani Alves, Barcelona's Brazilian magician. His attacking prowess combined with his defensive stability made him a nightmare for opposing wingers. Alves racked up 5 goals and 14 assists in El Clásico's clashes, solidifying his place as one of the greatest right-backs in history. 3. Sergio Ramos, Real Madrid, 45 El Clásico appearances, 6 goals. At the heart of defense, who else but Sergio Ramos, with 45 El Clásico appearances and 6 goals. Ramos wasn't just a defender, he was a warrior, known for his leadership and big games mentality. Ramos could always be counted on the rise to the occasion in the biggest moments. 4. Carlos Puyol, Barcelona, 32 El Clásico appearances. Partnering Ramos is none other than Carlos Puyol, Barcelona's legendary captain. Puyol's passion, heart, and never-say-die attitude made him a fan favorite with 32 El Clásico appearances. Puyol was always at his best when it came to shutting down Real Madrid's top attackers. 5. Roberto Carlos, Real Madrid, 34 El Clásico appearances, 5 goals. On the left flank, we have the lightning-fast Roberto Carlos, known for his powerful shoots and incredible pace. Roberto Carlos notched 5 goals in El Clásico's matches and was an ever-present threat bombing down the left wing of Real Madrid. Midfielders Xavi Hernandez, Barcelona, 42 El Clásico appearances, 5 goals. In midfield, the Mistero himself, Xavi Hernandez, with 42 El Clásico appearances. Xavi pulled the strings for Barcelona in their dominant years, ranking up 5 goals. His vision, precision, passing, and football IQ made him one of the most influential players in El Clásico history. 7. Zinedine Zidane, Real Madrid, 12 El Clásico appearances, 4 goals. Next to Xavi is the French legend Zinedine Zidane in his 12 El Clásicos appearances. Zidane scored 4 goals, including some jaw-dropping performances that left fans in awe. His elegance and the ball and ability to change a game with a moment of brilliance make him a must-have in his lineup. 8. Andres Iniesta, Barcelona, 38 El Clásico appearances and 3 goals. Completing the midfield is Andres Iniesta, one of the most gifted playmakers in football history, with 38 El Clásico appearances. Iniesta's dribbling and creativity often left Real Madrid chasing shadows. His 3 goals and countless assists make him one of the all-time greatest. Forwards 9. Lionel Messi, Barcelona, 45 El Clásico appearances, 26 goals, 14 assists. No El Clásico Dreams team is complete without Lionel Messi. In 45 appearances, Messi scored a record-breaking 26 goals and provided 14 assists against Real Madrid. Whether it was a solo run or a perfectly placed free kick, Messi has consistently been the most dangerous player on the pitch. 10. Cristiano Ronaldo, Real Madrid, 30 El Clásico appearances, 18 goals. On the opposite side, it is none other than Cristiano Ronaldo. In 30 El Clásico appearances, Ronaldo scores 18 goals, many of them in crucial moments. His rivalry with Messi defined a generation of El Clásico matches, and his ability to deliver when it mattered most makes him a lock for this team. 11. Ronaldinho, Barcelona, 7 El Clásico appearances, 5 goals. Last but not the least, we have Ronaldinho, whose flair and showmanship left Real Madrid fans applauding him at the Bernabeu after one of his legendary performances. In just 7 El Clásico appearances, he scored 5 goals, and his impact on these games was undeniable. And there you have it, in the ultimate El Clásico lineup featuring legends who left everything on the pitch and gave us some of the most unforgettable moments in football history. Do you agree with our picks, or do you think someone else deserves a spot? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more football content.